Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and this is a beautiful tree stump table from Athaliah. It has been carved out of a single piece of wood, so that means it is truly one of a kind. You can see here it has its unique green pattern, and they've also added these really unique carvings down here, so it gives it extra texture. I have it in the lighter color. It has not been finished or stained in any way, and I absolutely love that because I am a big fan of bringing in rustic elements into my home, and this table is amazing. It can hold up to 200 pounds, so you can even use it as a chair. That makes it extremely versatile. You have extra seating whenever you want. And at 19 inches, it's perfect to go in any little space, especially if you want it next to your bathtub. It's the perfect height. It's really versatile and easy to move around, and it's not that heavy. They did hollow it out on the bottom, so you are able to move it from space to space. This is a rustic boho element, and I think it's gonna add so much life and warmth to any space. But that's just my point of view.